me, Marvy. Did you know that it's Black History Month? That's right! For the whole month of February, we celebrate African American history. So my mom and I got this book from the library about African American inventors. Isn't it cool? I was just reading about Garrett Morgan. He invented the first safety hood. The safety hood helped firefighters rescue people from places that were filled with dangerous smoke. He also invented a better traffic light. When cars were first invented, they had to share the road with bicycles and horses. Garrett invented a light that has the 3 colors we know today. Red for stop, yellow for slow, and green for go! Oh, and this is Sarah Good. She was the first African American woman to receive a patent for her invention of a folding bed. A folding bed can be tucked away in a cabinet or a wall to make more space in a teeny tiny room or an apartment. Isn't that cool? After learning about all of these African American inventors, I'm pretty inspired to invent something myself. Maybe I'll invent something to carry around all of my stuffed animals. Oh, or maybe I'll invent something that eats all of my leftover oatmeal. Learning about inventors is just one way to celebrate Black History Month. Have you learned any cool facts about Black History Month? Have a grown-up write your answer in the comments below. I'll see you later, greenie beanies. Everybody!